Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Good evening, my people. Good evening, good evening. How una dey? Long time I just dey busy. I no dey house. I just dey strong. That is why I no fit enter land since. No fit. I too strong. Well, I thank God for everything. Injection when I take na give me problem. I go take this COVID-19 injection. Na give me problem. After 2 days, when the thing strike me, 3 days for there, I dey see Baba God. So I thank God for everything. Say e don finish. Because it's something dey worry some people, not dey worry some people. You get some people wey no dey worry, you get some people wey dey worry, and na different things na dey worry. My own just worry me, even the cough never finish sef. No make me no fit enter line since. As I no fit enter line, I dey take one eye, corner eye dey see wetin dey go on. Now for one day, I fit come. So my people, this Igbo matter now I wan first to start to. Ijani get sige where. Owo jaya si me woman. So nka gwanka ori big bonane. Me I first talk to these Igbo people. Because wetin they no go fit do for una land, they no fit come another person land call dey do am. Which Benin man or Benin community, they go form community for Igbo land. Come talk say they want their oba for there, they want make their own king for there. Una go accept. Una go accept. What una no go accept from una place, una come dey do am for another person place. If they accept una say make una come do una trade, una come do anything wey carry una come from home. When no go mana go and as una house no let una stay so. Una come full everywhere. Una come here so. Una just stay jejeje. Find your money and go back to your country, to your place. Which one I wan come dey find king Ezeudu of Benin Kingdom? Wetin dey cause that nonsense? All this one I see finish oh. Na see finish na be all this one. Ibi edo. Uwa bi ya. Ibi gbo agba we do yan gbo ori no ri obi edo gbo ma mi ma ukegbe. Wa hu wan oga enu gbo he na ayo sisi ya gbele gbugwa wa no ni ebu wa. When we are ni na wa se ti be wa just a little rally. Peaceful rally na we gin wa gin o de igbe la bi idisra bi moto. Just peaceful rally wa we say no to Ezeudu Benin Kingdom wa fe ko wa we fine na gbon be mi make na en wa ma gwa lo wa hu wa ibi gbogbo pa yogun yan re egun yan wa re yan do gbogbo agino wa hu wa agni yan. All this kind of me I no understand though. Igbo people now just come out from una place, now just come another person. This one I see finish. Now see finish na be this one. Benin man cannot live in place now say he won't come go Ogbere. Say now he won't come be king for there. For wetin? And then give una one chance now go take 10. Which kind of nonsense be all this one? If una want to be king, may God dey do Igwe for your place. We don't want una to be king for here. If una want una leader, so say okay, the leader of Igbo, una fit say chairman of Igbo community. It's okay, not be say king. We don't want that title from you people in Benin Kingdom. We don't want am o. Which can still finish be all this one? If you do wa hu wan. Nya we ebo na take you call me no jo o hen igbon na ri mu jin adede ba de so oga na ege na ngwa ya junu jari agbugwa wa ya yesu si agbole gbugwa wa no na wa la din abege ni wa we gbadu apupago o ja ni yes ge na ko na bia ba o ja na si mi wo ma ege ni ya do ja ya si mi be wa ni ani wa mala je wa de gele yo ja ni ya si mi gbugwa amami gwa oga o to na si mi no wa agbele gbugwa wa mi ami wa ya mu no ba wa mi ba waya mu no ba nwa be kele na ga uto na simi no wa waya mu no ba nwa be kele na simi uto wa ekere gwa na mi ba he no palette ba ni avion la ja palette no wa tu le mu afian wa ya avion wa gbe ya zie emi re nya ngwa na simi ebugwa na amami gwa ro poro ngwa la ja ngwa do simi ebugwa wa do pe njo pe ma ba no egogo nu wa pe hian no ya sin ye bo ma wa do pe na mi agele yen tu wa gele yo ya sin ye bo wa o ga na yo sisi agbele gbo wa no gbe bo bona no wa we nene oni su wa wu emi da ga ti hian bo yo be Edo State ga number 1 emi na ma ga de gbe na ya sin ye bo ma na gele ya sin so ge ne bo ma emi gwa ba emi gwa ona esi finish ni bi gbo wa ke bu yan wa de since 2015 mi ahụ ni ga yo bokpa ya la na ihe do bokpa la na do vi ogwe va do ya mudia ega ni ogwugwa ya fefefe ti gbo yan ro re ya fe dele igbo yan re ya dele obokun gwa ya ivio ibi gwa ya ogun ma de yan ibi wa ke ga sa melele yan ke bata lele yan wa maka mi no ka sunu be ge ni ego kuo before the word that wa maka the story do wa man have a weakness we ma we take the story mo agwa be genu we ma take the story mo agwa ni bi gboga o be genu abe stone of him for when you been ya fe that time ibi gbo na iya na money ya fe na wogun ya genu ari aga ni bi gbo ja are bo ma unari give you a chance gbe ko ni igbo de property be we iya na the property ni ya je bo ni yakin ohin ne ama egun yan gba do ri ege yan do yan oba bebo na say no to them egwa le gbe title ni bebo na egwa le ye emi obe va be do awa no ba awa ne din do awa ne ni ka emi obe va be do oba pa ni ma wa me ni so okay ena ko nonsense nonsense na yakin ibi gbogbo ari ewo mo yin gbado mi agbadia ko yin we no gele mi bo gburu tu ibi gbo yin ami obo yin na gburu tu na ya wi han do yin gwa lo ba yin uni ka oga mu mi na yin abo e je ndo hian mu mi na yin abo o hian mu mi na yin na ni yin hu va me no keke mi bo ya to le gbi yan iya mi na gwa iya mi na ne iya na viobe vatu ato ina iwi agwa lo ba ohian ahun ma mi ke na ne egbe ma ohian bebo na iya ge ka wi agwa lo ba egbe de egbe okigbo ugbe na gbe vi ahian gbigbo e ugbe ni agbe yan bebo ko ni ahian de egbe gbiyan e be ni iya na wi iya kere iya yo bo yan o tedo na rebe no tedo na ohian mama ya gbiyan si mi ohian ina wi ahian do si ni no pa ni arrest there no wiyan una dian owe kanu ogiyan ka there ogiyan you know ya roko e be there ogwe Benin Kingdom is part of Biafra e ni beta ogwe iweki age weki no ma bobo ni ti an weki abe buyan magume egwe oba of Benin egweka side yan ona me the title eweke ona ya ke egweka ni babo lawa gbe bagbon no ni le kan wi wa bagbon igbo people make una take time o if una no know na history una no know where una dey go una no know where una dey come from make una go house make una go eat una akpu where dey smell with the frog when I take dey do pepper soup make una go eat am maybe una will feel reason well Benin Kingdom we don't want two king in Benin only one king our king is okay for us and we don't want second one what did the water una Biafra one na dey drag Biafra that Biafra una never get carry and go anywhere Ojukwu do we no get head He die. Now na so na wan carry. Now they do am now. Now all the land, the territory wey not belong to una, na they claim and they go. That was why rich una na so na one king for Benin Kingdom. No here gbo wa hun. Wa hebe wa ya sumani hebe wa hun hebe ade okporo di na de so there. Well, this one it shows say na trouble now na they find. Now they find trouble, now they find trouble so. Eh? No, so na one piece, but not the piece una want. Wa be ho na be buwa be na be yan be agbeluwa with that time. 1967 to 1969. Abi egba ade gbe be sunu da wa. And because of this cough, I not do video since morning now I want to do this video because of cough. I not fit. What is the water of these Igbo people self? I be the apple where they smell where they chop, now they track them. Abi gbono maruwe. Yo saloboa. Where we go? See how these people. No, I just eat belleful and so I want king for another person kingdom. All this one I see finish. Oh. Me and the wait as they want to judge on the 18th of October. Abe osano no hodi abato baze wherever. Wa ma say organizing wa be we rally the federal government be beg na gbon the whole world ni abeg emi ni bi gbobe wu. Wa ma say organize a bus why ya we jian wa we rally. Why ya we jian ya we rally maybe we from Idogbo Abekenu wa just ring road. Wa ma say we ni abe ado te togba ngwa ya re go fi epo on wa na me festi wana organize rally bo edo ba ni ge mi ni bi gbo na say no to ezidi gbo in Benin Kingdom wana we rally dojo the whole federal the whole nation yan we just so na ni bi gbo yan agwalo te do wa ni bi edo ma kwejo the whole world will know where Wamakwejo egbe imedio ni sunu. Where they spend nagije nanya somebody from maybe a community be Pais Bako or Wadia Dolusia or we honey Edward King be Dolusia be mana. That one cannot happen because Dolusia. The Galicians cannot go to Pais Bako we hanya King be bani. Boni. The same Spain, no, but they are not the same. They don't speak the same language. Galician is different from Pais Bako. Andalusia is different from Pais Bako. Cataluna is still different. Cataluna set it pani awin ogari Madrid where Cataluna community had why a king of Cataluna be Madrid. That one can never happen. Epuwa wa gwome o. Igbo make una take time o. Make una not let wetin happen 1967 come repeat itself again o. Make una not let am happen again o. Make it come repeat itself again. Make una take time o. Igbo people make una just take time. Ugbo na gbivin agbigbo la yen o te donire. Ni bi ma nwari bi myself ibi ma no ra mi hu wa mi hu awu wa no re this thing wa no re e ba se wa plan e mi danana wa mi hu wo we wa hu wa han do yari atedo na wa he dojo ma bo dojo ri ma bo obi re ekotota go ma poru no sugbugwa o our ba just sit down our king sit down e no reach na place o. You not come to now. Una just eat belleful. That apple where they smell when una dey chop. Una don't eat am belleful. Una say na Benin Kingdom. Una won't come find una king. Una fail. Una just fail. Una fail. Egbanuwa o. Egbanuwa. Egba. So now that was make I can't tell us this Igbo people where they don't know where they pay the way they go put for near fire so. Their brother where they drag, they never fit drag and reach anywhere. Now they say na Benin Kingdom. You get what they for Benin one and they fine. Me una go stay for una own. Omanoko wa evon ezozo. Mahado Bob ezozo eken waje mazozoriye. Na Europe na we dey come. Benin own self don too much o. Ogi bi do can't do too much we are once do oriobi everything na foreigner na he just get everything for Benin. Wa giyan ibi yo ba fún area. Ibe na je do 2017. Yeah, right from Oluku wa la moto obi yo back na driver. Wa wenu la e bus o obi yo back na driver. Obi yo back na bi afin ticket. Obi yo back na bi conductor. Obi yo back we mi ya fefe. Ibi e do. Where una dey? Where una dey? Not Benin person for any place again. You good though. What on see me? Oh, why is me here? You good. Look at the look. I just open my eye. Me I dey look now. Maybe you are overdose but now well. Igbo people no gonna leave Edo State alone. No gonna leave Benin alone. Go stay for una country, Biafra country. We don't belong to Biafra. We are not in any way belong to Biafra or a part of Biafra. Biafra is not part of Benin. Which time they tell no Biafra? No, but you could bring Biafra out 1967. Benin Kingdom that have been existing for more than 200 years, 2,000 years. Now one can say na get part of Benin. For all those stupid ones wey be say they don't know where they come from, say they belong to Biafra. With that una, make una carry go. Make una carry them go. I think yan umahia bi ogwere yan hana ya imome. With that una make una carry and go. We don't need them. If they say they go follow una, make una carry. If they say they no go still follow una, make una still leave them. But we don't want you people in Benin to come and have any title, king or SGG, but we don't want that title. No, that say no to that title. That title will never exist. We don't. There is no two king in Benin. I'm not being for though. It's a forbidden thing to say we have two king in Benin Kingdom. It's forbidden. Prohibido. Este cosa prohibido. No puede ser. We can't accept that rubbish. Na rubbish na be that too. Now don't fight for Biafra. Fight. Ojuku you hunku your Now the kind of say won't carry you can't carry. Say Buhari don't die. Now so the ear long. Now so he talk like this. Now so the first Buhari, this one na Jubilee of Sudan. This one the ear now for this former ear now for former Buhari. Since he say Buhari don't die, I think now the ghost of Buhari now arrest him for London so. If you say as ghost o, if na ghost na you arrest am o, na the real person na you arrest am o, we go see and result go come out. Carry fake rumors dey go. Na Benin Kingdom na one come be king. Kò sí finish. Akpoluwa wedi ebo te doni be na ka akpoluwa wedi 1967. Akpoluwa wedi. Ugbe na gbifi an agbuwa ehun te doni re. The problem is there on all the youth for Benin, I don't know where they dey. if na to kill their brother now, they will carry first come kill their brother. They no fit do anything now. When Igbo just comot for their house, come dey follow them, dey drag their land now, they no fit do anything. E good o. Our man ready on. Yeah, make we just keep quiet dey look now. So na so I just get that message issue. I say no to Ezigbo in Benin Kingdom. I no get hand for that kind of rubbish, because if you give Igbo people one chance, they go collect 10 chance. Na so dem be. 1967, na so dem collect all the stuff for New Benin. If not be how something come take happen that time, they don collect everything. See wetin dem do for this Ikwere people now. They buy all the land for Ikwere finish, all Port Harcourt na Igbo people. They buy am, they use with man take collect their land, buy am from their hand. They come dey control Ikwere people for there. Ikwere come turn to their slave. When Ikwere people come see the way the Igbo people dey treat them, no be they come collide with Gowon. Say if Gowon fit give them soldier army make dem take fight Igbo, say they go join Gowon. No be dem surrender for Gowon when Gowon come give them soldier, they take they pursue Igbo comot for Port Harcourt that time. Una go check the history dey there. Na im make some Ikwere people wey see this one, they collect their property back from Igbo. Maybe now their children now when they find money, they go come sell the land back to Igbo people. Go to Port Harcourt, na Igbo people na get am. That land no be Igbo people get am before o, na Ikwere. But they don buy am for their hand. They don collect am. Una wan come Benin like that, una wan come do that kind thing. Egbanugwa o Igbo. Egba ugbe na gbivin yan gbugbo ayin tedore. Emi dan wa mu no ma ro tedoni osalobua eje doni ka onoro tedoni ogbugbo aru. Oga emission down wa re wo tedoni Igbo. Ugbe na gbivin ayin gbugbo ayin. Ifi yan ya wo ni. Ifi ehu wa ifi omi yen. Ifi yan ya akan ya ze so wa fu wa tedoni. Ifi na ya be ugbe na gbugbo ayin be 1967 o yan be gbugbo ayin tedoni. Because mama ugwaye ma ka ugwaye gbe iyo ugwa Igbo. Mama ugwaye kugwa gege gwa do hu ma do fin aye na awe gbanu wa basan awe gbanu wa bafan emi dan wa re do gwa lo te do ni emi dan wa re do wo te do ni emi dan o wa mu ari ugwa ya ba emi gwa bo gwa oni eru ni do nanu gwa o ami ebo seri ami eru so seri eru me do nanu we ma ti ebo no we do nanu gwa oga emi no ma wa do e wa mu ado te do ni emi no ma le lu wa ari wa emi dan gwa mu re wa re wa kan do o te do mi do mo te do emi dan o kan le lu wa kan yu mu wa fi ari e bu wa e le ku wa le je te do ni because ebo ga gbe ojijo eru amu no nya gboziga ebo ni gbugba je man eru ni nanu wa na sebe sunu be te do na o kan le lu wa ari e bu wa o ya sunu wa te bu wa to e do kan ga je o iwe nu wa hian egbe ofu wa. My people, you know wow, na bye bye. Maybe tomorrow I first still come out because matter just dey ground. No, I don't just say go reach tomorrow. Make I first take my medicine first. I will come back again. And that one another topic because I not just want make it pass me. One topic don't pass me. That Benin artifacts. That one I think they don't set one, so I no need to come bring the matter back again. So another one wey just dey for ground, anyone wey dey for ground now wan come talk. The man agwan your divinity wetin I get. I go talk put jare. I go talk put I must talk wetin I know, wetin I say, how e be for my mind. I go talk, I will see am. We go talk am. Na so e be. E kwa agbolo won ejo pa ohun popa yo kere. COVID-19 ni amure. Wayari lo de na ya gbinyari o yi gbinyari ne igbe ma ri okiyan me I charge my battery. If I charge my battery finish, I relax finish, you carry by nani when you go nani do by. So my people, when I still come back I want to talk about I get some kind matter, some kind issue when I wan talk about Ebony matter later. Make I first relax first. Okay now, see you later.